Do you guys know what this is?
Shadow Benny! And I love Shadow Benny.
Chini must know what chini is.
What they call it? This bandana. Yeah, nobody's calling it that.
So I am just doing a little quick rough chop on this Shadow Benny. And what am I doing? We in seafood mode. So our Chef Trisha just left us with her mackerels.
Yes.
And she used she used marlin.
Marlin.
Right? So we have some kingfish. It's Easter weekend. Everybody is looking for like seafood dishes to do. So we are doing simply a curry buttered kingfish.
Peach meat.
Yummy. Yummy.
So it sounds fancy, yeah?
Yummy.
Yes.
But it's curry butter on kingfish in the oven. And that's basically it. And that is basically it. I love to put a little twist on recipes. So that's why when Trisha came up with that just now, I was totally blown away. Love to switch out things and put in things, right? So I have some butter. So this is salted butter. So I have just about
curry in the butter.
2 tablespoons of curry. Just for good measure, I have some jeera that I'm adding in there. I'm adding some garlic. Just because I love garlic. I love garlic. And I have my Shadow Benny that I want to add in there with that final touch. I just really want to add a touch of salt and a touch of pepper. Nothing because I told you it's salted butter.
Yeah.
So you really don't need much thing. And you just kind of mash that, How much pepper mouth are you a pepper mouth?
No,
I love pepper. You don't like pepper,
I do not consider pain fun.
No, but pepper
my grandfather told me once. He said, "Why are you pepper in the food? I want to taste it."
Exactly.
Yeah. So what are we gonna do? Just to kind of get between
Right,
we're gonna put a little touch, just a little touch of pepper, just a little.
Okay.
Oh.
That look plenty.
That look plenty.
I like that. That's good.
A little touch of pepper. Slight pepper. Do you see that? Once the butter comes together like that, all you do, basic salt, pepper. There's nothing else here.
On the fish.
Salt,
Nothing
pepper on the
else on the
fish.
fish.
Basic seasoning. Because all the flavor is in this butter here.
Painted
And I am just taking this butter and just doing a nice little paste on each one. We have once you're Trini, you have a curry mouth for sure.
Definitely.
And you just kind of
I don't think there's anybody who doesn't like curry.
Oh my goodness, curry is life.
Watch
Curry
your
is
white
life.
jacket with the curry.
Curry is
Because wifey will have to quarrel again.
She accustomed, didn't she? So this is a little prettiness.
Tomatoes, baby tomatoes, cherry tomatoes.
Some cherry tomatoes. I just really want. What they will do is we'll roast in the oven. The tomatoes will roast in the oven as well. And it gives a nice little. Oh my goodness, yeah.
So I love that presentation.
Looks beautiful.
And how long does this stay
bakes in the oven? 400 degrees for no more than about 15 minutes.
That's good.
Fish doesn't take long. Quick meal bakes in the oven.
Yummy.
That's lovely. Hey, we're going home to try this,
After I eat here.
I'm gonna try
Look at this. Look at this.
Yummy.
So this has been keeping nice and warm for you guys.
Oh, that's the finished product.
This is the finished product.
Nice salad.
Nice little salad. You can serve it with some rice, a little dal.
That is fabulous. That's nice when you have guests over for dinner. You bring out that, boy.
Thank you.
Ladies.
Your wife is a happy woman.
Yeah.
Well done.
Tell me.
Come on, let's do
Tell
it.
me.
Hey, Denyse didn't wait for me at all.
Yeah.
That's nice.
You're taking a second bite, Denyse.
How much you have to pay for this in a restaurant?
Yes, that's right. And you see how simple it is to make? Try the recipe at our YouTube channel, guys. Cup of Joe Caribbean. Denyse Plummer and Michelle Sylvester. New combination in the house. When we come back, we share a cup with them.
A chef on the inside.